All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name's Chakits, Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today I'm here in the city of Henderson. That's right, Anthem Heights is the name of this community. So this single story home that you see in front of me features 2,743 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths with a den. So you can see we have a 3-car garage. The exterior looks like it has been finished as far as paint wise. They redid the paint here. Now the home was actually built in 2003. Here's your side gate here. Got the gas meter. Then it looks like we have dish network. So basically the way that this is facing, that tells you it is a south. So when you get your dish, make sure all the dishes are facing south for better reception. Definitely love the front curb appeal with the landscaping here. I love this little mini retaining wall. Wow, it looks like you have a pretty wide gate here. This gate looks to be about a 8-foot gate, which is really nice. Could you possibly fit a mini car? I'm sure you can, but I like this retaining wall. You do have some lights as well. I'm sure at night this thing looks gorgeous. All right, let's get right into this property. Let's see what's going on here. So we have a Ring doorbell and another camera system here. Here we have a keypad, which is really nice, and also you have a rekey coming through the French doors. Whew, nice and warm in here. It is getting a little bit chilly here in Las Vegas today. So this would be kind of like what, a flex space, a dining room, however you want to do it. Let me see if I can turn on the lights. Let me get the lights on for you guys. Here we go. Oh no, that's not the lights. Okay, how about this one? Here we go. That's better. Also, right now, I'm actually shopping for a dining room table and did not realize how expensive dining room tables are. The dining room table I have is pretty much a hand-me-down from, Kmart, and I've had it for like years. And I just realized maybe now it's time to upgrade. So here we have a flex space, orange peel texture, 2-tone, and we have some shutters. These are wood shutters here. You got the concrete type of tile. These are what, 24 by 48. So we have a flex space here. Looks like they added some traverse LED lights, can lighting, which is great. Here is your office. And this is a pretty large office. Like the French doors with the windows. The baseboards are straight edge baseboards. And it looks like we have some nice rocker switches. It looks like it should be connected to Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So down this hallway here we have a bedroom and also a primary. Let's just get right into that. We're going to go straight to the primary. Now the primary, it's 14 by 11. I like this little window bay here. Ceilings are like 12-foot ceilings. Now the color here is a little bit different. It looks like this is more of like a grayish color from what I'm gathering. You got 6 can lighting. You have a door that takes you out to the back. What do we have here? Oh, so we also have a screen door, which is really nice. There's a lot of architectural design here. But remember, this home was built in the early 2000s. Now they rehabbed this thing. As you can see, look at this tub. So they gutted this out, put this nice tower here. That was smart to do a little ledge right there. So that way you could take up the space. Full overlay cabinets. Nice vessel sink. Got that frame mirror. This is all done aftermarket. Here we go. You got some gray Schluters. Now this door here, the slide, this is gonna run you a little bit over $2,000. That is not cheap. 6-panel door. This is your water closet. Okay. Let's take a look at the here we go. Closet, not bad. Oh, I like how this sink is right here off to the side versus being in the center, which actually makes sense. So that way you have additional counter space. I like this concept. This is actually a great design versus putting it down the middle. I like that. I think this is by far my favorite thing right now from this house. All right, let's go see what else we got. Now, also, if you guys want more information about this property, I will have a link in the description below and also the comments too as well. We're just gonna turn off the lights as we go along. What do we have here? Storage here. And then we have storage probably over there we're gonna have to check out. Is this another storage? These are 6'8" on the doors. Wow, definitely a lot of, I was gonna say toilet paper, but I forgot what that was called. Oh, paper towels, you big dummy. So you got your closet. You got 10-foot ceilings here. Ceiling fan. I don't know if I mentioned orange peel texture. You got the standard casings around the door. However, looks like they did some upgrades here. You got the original cabinets. And were painted gray. Changed out the countertops. Hardware has been changed out. Vessel sink. Nice mirror, the gold. Wow, they threw a little silver in there too as well. Let's take a look what we got here. All the shower has been cladded. Look at this. It's got that marble look. You got a little mini bench seat. And then we have our toilet. Okay. Let's see what else we have here. Get that turned off. It's a pretty big house, actually. Closet. Now take a look at this when we come in. This is like entertainment paradise. Bam. But before we start there, we're going to head over here. See what we have. Go straight into the closet. Sorry, not the closet, the garage. Damn, I'm messing up. Oh, you got a central vac, purification system. You got the Defender hot water heater. I love the fact that we have a door that takes you out to the back. 3-car garage. The floors have been epoxied. Additional storage above. This is something that you guys can do on your own. Wow, look how large that TV is. What are they doing with a TV that large? You have the work area, which is really nice for tools and stuff like that. Okay. We're going to head back on in. Appliances. Washer and dryer. This is gas. You got the original cabinets above here. This is a good idea to put a rod all the way across so that way you can hang your clothes. I think this is something that I might do. This side we have the sink. Got the attic access right above here. Off to the right, bathroom. This is a 3/4 because now we have a shower. All cladded. Nice. I'm just gonna turn off the lights here. I guess you can't turn off the lights. They taped it open or taped it on. This is kind of like a standard room, but you have a walk-in closet here. Additional shelving. You got 4 LED lights. Additional storage. But now let's take a look at this kitchen. So the kitchen, you have the original cabinets that have been refurbished and painted. The island here with the waterfall, this is actually granite, 2-inch front face. Looks like they cladded the back with some travertine stone. Brand new GE appliance. Dishwasher, undermounted sink, which is really nice. You have your air gap. This looks like your drinking water. Must have an RO system. Let's take a look. Yep, it's sitting right there. Let's take a look at the cabinets. Now this is more like a off-white, has a little bit of gray tone to it. So these are just regular side glides here. This is a man-made countertops. Hard surface. You got Samsung appliances. Here's your pantry. Let's take a look at the pantry. So the pantry just opens up. Okay. By looking at the food as a home CSI, whatever you want to call it, my instincts tell me that they're probably Asian. Now right above here, I love that skylight here that just comes right through. That's really nice. Now one thing, if you notice the lights, this is kind of like that soft white. I prefer the daylight, the bright stuff. Here's your formal dining. Definitely, I mean, just take a look at how much can lighting there is in this home. Like, everything is lit up like a ping pong ball. It's like Las Vegas, baby. There's another dining room table. Man, I gotta get me a dining room table. Step my game up, man. I'm like so cheap. Now, when it comes to the appliances, all appliances are included in the sale of this transaction. Now, sometimes what you'll notice is that you'll see the appliances, but it's not in the listing as far as included. Typically, a lot of times agents won't list the appliances even though they are there. Then what they'll do is they'll use that as a negotiating strategy if you are asking for a price reduction. So they'll kind of use that as leverage. So if you are submitting an offer, just go ahead and just automatically include the appliances right away. Here's the side area. We have a side gate here with this screen door, security door from the garage. I mean, this is pretty tight. I mean, look at this. You also have a camera here. Not too sure what type of fruit this is, or if it's even a fruit. Additional storage. This is not attached to the property, so what you need to do is to make sure if you want it, negotiate it. It's a very large backyard, but a lot of this stuff right here is dead space. But I love what they did to this. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. We have stairs. Look how they utilize this. They have stairs that take you all the way to the top. But look at that. You can see the valley. Now, this is interesting. Smart on their part. Now, as far as land on this side, I don't know who owns this. Would have to pull that up. Looks like a lot of dead space, but pretty cool, right? Now, just something to be aware of. I mean, we are in the desert. There could be snakes, but one thing I would probably do is have a pest control company spray along all this. Nothing that you need to watch out for if you have small little doggies. You got coyotes or bobcats. I don't know if they could hop this or not. It's just something to be aware of. I'm not saying that you got that here, but something that we also need to disclose. Let's head down this way. I mean, the whole backyard is already tricked out, so this is a move-in ready property for the price. Now, one thing I want to show you guys about trees and really educate you guys on, you can see how large this tree is. Eventually what happens with the trees, the roots are pretty thick too as well. So as you can see right here, it's starting to lift up on this side and that side. And typically, like trees, like when you plant these trees, try not to plant them like near your driveway or the foundation of the home. Now, for me, this is not a big problem, but it's just something that you just need to be aware of, right? So you can't plant a big old tree right next to this foundation, or you have a sewage line, your gray line, right? And you have a tree right next to it, because eventually it will bust that gray line. If it does, you can have a backup flow into your house, and that's the last thing that you want. Imagine all that doo-doo going right back into your house. I'm telling you, you don't want that. Now, if you guys are interested in this property, like I said, I'll have a link in the description below, and you can tie this thing up for less than $15,000 of earnest money deposit. Taxes here are $3,739. HOAs, you're not going to guess how much the HOAs are. You're not going to believe it. HOAs are only $33 a month. $33 a month in a community like this. You can't go wrong. Okay. Give me a second. I'm going to try to lock this thing up. Here we go. Alright guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this property, if you can see yourselves living here, because I sure can. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, not too sure what you guys are waiting for, go ahead and click that subscribe button. My name's Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.